Hello everyone, thank you for joining me on another video. This is Valiant Customs. I'm Steve. This video I'm gonna kind of start on the other the 89 that I got. This one I don't know how far I'll go in this video with it, but I want to get the bed off of it. And well, let me take you for a little spin around it, and I'll show you what it's about. This truck, it's an 89. It does need cab corners. It's got a little dent right there that I want to try and fix. Paint, doing the normal GM stuff there. But it is a pretty solid truck. It's got the 5.7 in it. This one I want to try and get the bed off of it in this video at least. Here's the interior. Not the prettiest, but that's the headliner I did in it a couple videos ago. Headliner still looks really good. It's sticking up there and everything real nice. Well, yeah, this is another project that I'm trying to get myself into. I want to get the cab corners replaced. I want to get the box off of it because I want to do a flip kit in the back. Oh, this little gem's got some good surprises for me. The U-bolts on the back axles, those things are rusted so bad. Some of them, I think there's one on this side and one on that side, that half of it snapped. It rusted so much that it snapped right off. Then so after I get those replaced and the flip kit on it, it's gonna stay a long box. I'm not shortening it, but then I want to move to the cab corners, get the cab corners done. I already have spindles for it. I think I'm gonna take the springs out of the 96 extended cab that's in the shop, take the springs back out of that and put the 3-inch springs in here, and put 2-inch springs in that one so that it's, you know, up just a little bit higher and more of a cruising vehicle than a slammed vehicle. Well, it'll still be slammed, but so let's get started. Just another fun day at the office. Easy peasy. I'm really glad that I bought that the tool that lifts the bed off. I'm glad that I bought that. That was a good investment. It's like $125, $150, something like that. And then the cart that I set the beds on, I built that myself. I got the wheels from Harbor Freight, so I have hardly anything into this setup. The gantry I bought years ago for $100, I think, something like that. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you guys remove beds a lot, or even engines, and this will work good for engines, but as far as beds and everything, if you remove beds a lot, you might want to invest in one of those tools and make yourself one of them carts. And I have on video me making that cart, so maybe check that video out. I'm gonna push this where I need it, and then I'll bring you back. So let's check out all the treasures that this gem has been hiding underneath the bed. I know what they are. I mean, I've known what they are, but I think you guys are gonna find it kind of interesting. Let me turn you around and I'll show you. So one, the exhaust. The exhaust is hit. It's horrible. It's got, I don't know, 3-4 sections. See, it's got the muffler. No, actually, that's a different piece of pipe. Then it's got that pipe, then it's got that pipe, and back in there it's got another pipe. And I think even up further it's got another pipe. But anyways, let's get underneath here and I'll show you guys. Now don't be surprised, don't be alarmed or anything. What do you think about that? Yeah, something looks Bluetoothed right here. And the same thing on the back side, except it's on this side. So this U-bolt, I mean, this side here is holding the axle to that, and on the other side, this side's bolted up and over and holding that. Then you look at the passenger side, and it's also Bluetoothed. Only one of them though. The rest of them are thin enough that they're about to go though. But wow, that's a little sketchy. Okay, I'll bring you back when I got more stuff to show, and hopefully we can get this up and in A1 shape and everything. Ooh, man. Again, look at this muffler is hit. Just look at all that rust. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm thinking, I don't know if I'm going to do anything tonight. I might do a little something tonight on this, but I'm going to head on out and maybe get me a deer tonight. I don't know. If I do, I'll show you. So I'll catch up with you. Also, before I go out there, I wanted to show you these cab corners. That cab corner, when the truck was on, or the bed was on, it didn't look quite as bad, but it's kind of missing. A little lightweight there. The other side is the same. So I'll just like I said, I'll bring you guys back when I have some more stuff to show you or tell you or anything. So I'm out in the woods trying to be quiet and everything, but just wanted to show you guys. How can you not love it? I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful out here. I love being out in the nature. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video here at this point. I mean, I wish I would have got more done, but like I said, I'm out chasing deer and things like that, so I'm sorry. It's unfortunate that I haven't got further along on the truck and everything, but like I said, we're just gonna go ahead and leave this video right here, and I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in, and God bless, and I will catch you on the next one.